Alright, so we're ready to build a sub box. So right now we're just doing the cutout sheet. So this is what's going on. We already designed the box. We got all the size, all the cuts. This is pretty much, it's a decent sized box. I thought this was gonna be a bigger trunk, but we barely have any space. But I mean, we made it. We made it perfectly. It's gonna be a regular ported box, and then we're gonna have a little port right here where it's gonna be shooting up to the rear deck. So this side per chamber, we already got the dimensions right here. That's the inside dimensions divided by 1728, which would give us 2.2 cubic feet. Take away displacement, so it's pretty much per side it's getting 2 cubic feet, so it's decent. And then we enter it in the program. You're gonna see it right here. It's gonna be around 34 hertz. Alright, so we just finished building the box. It's not 100% done, but at least you can see a visual already. All the parts is up. All we gotta do is paint the inside of the box, secure the edges, and we're good to go. So it's pretty much taking up the whole back. Where the speaker's gonna be at. So we're gonna see the magnet here, magnet there, and the plexiglass on top. Alright, got some battery tie down just to secure the battery. So I'm going up. This is the box without the plexiglass. We got the LEDs in the bottom. Just gonna light up the box just like this. Yep. Team F5 on deck. Clean, nothing crazy. Alright, just finished putting the box in. Ooh, it was a mission, but we made it. So plexiglass, I mean, we let this on. This will be like the last thing we're gonna take off, so you gotta have to leave it there. The bit one will be right here. We're gonna be right here. We're gonna build it up just slightly and then wrap it in the same leather as the interior.
Sensation at home away from home in the black Benz limo with the cellular. I'm it's time to get you suckers tripping. Let's wanna get some.